Right now, I am headed to Lowe's to pick up some screws. We are gonna start working on the trailer that I have in my garage at the moment. Come on, guy. Okay, look at me funny. I had gotten a 13-foot tandem axle trailer from my father-in-law's brother that they had built 15 years ago, I think, something like that. And he gave it to me for free because it needed a lot of work. So, I mean, you can't not take a free trailer. I mean, come on now. They're getting expensive. And you know, I mean, a tandem axle trailer, I mean, those things ride really nice. And all it needed, well, I went a little far with it. I decided to actually paint it, put a new floor in it. It needed a new floor anyhow, but look at this guy. So we just made it home. Let's get inside. Oh, see these crazy dogs. Oof. Now this is what I was talking about. These are, let's see, Power Pro self-drilling metal screws. Now these are actually wood to metal. So my father-in-law said that would probably be the easier way to do it, so we didn't have to drill a hole, put a bolt through, go underneath and tighten it up. Because it, you know, I put in almost over 60 screws in these boards just because of how it's set up. You'll see here in just a minute. It's a little different. The wheel wells are actually on the inside of the frame, how they built it. But this thing is heavy. So I'll talk more about it when we get it done. Let's get inside, start working.